You just got this weapon and you don't know how to use it. You keep hitting yourself in the head and the leg and you just want to give up on this weapon and you're not going to start today. Don't worry, your bro, your hermano, Haikaiju, Ambo Elite, here to teach you something new and help you master this weapon in 3 different tricks. 2 gonna be beginner, but 1's gonna be amazing, so stick around for that. So let's go ahead and get on to it. Now here's this first technique that's gonna help you master this weapon super quick, trust me. It's called the flower. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the 3-section staff like so. You're gonna have either your right or your left hand right in the middle. So right now I'm using my right. My left hand is at the base of the 3-section staff. And what I'm gonna do is gonna swing this side right here, the chain. Swing it like this, it's very easy, very amazing, very easy, right? Now, 2 ways this will go down. You can either reverse the grip like this, put around your side, around your hip right here, make sure it's tight a little bit. And you can use this like a flower, like a helicopter, right? Like a propeller. And you can back up. And not only that, once you get used to it, I want you to try this out. Now, follow along with me. Also keep in mind, I forgot to mention this, make sure you get a foam 3-section staff. If you are a beginner with this, foam 3-section staff. I'm using this right now because I'm trying to get a new 3-section staff that's made out of wood, probably made out of metal because I'm trying to try some new stuff right now, but that's besides the point. Also, let me know how this goes for you guys. So, is that you're gonna swing it from your left side and then swing it to your right. Simple, right? Boom, 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 and then speed it up. Not a bad idea, right? And feel free to reverse this video back to that part so you can get a better understanding of how to use it. Also, in case you guys haven't noticed, I did do another video too, like how to use the 3-section staff, like Toji Fushiguro. Click right there and come back here. I'll wait. Time's up. Anyway, same thing as the first one. Grab the placements like so. Instead of putting it around your waist, you're gonna learn how to swing this. And of course, you're gonna learn how to move your arms with this. So this is what we call a figure 8, or at least a beginner part of the figure 8. So what I'm gonna do is that first I'm gonna swing on my right and left. Simple as that. Boom, boom. So instead of it being on my hip, I'm now holding it up like so. In the case if somebody does happen to get by this movement right here, all I can do is like this, boom, bring it right back. Now you're gonna make the circle bigger. Boom, 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 boom. Of course, I keep my left base right here. See here? But here's another thing. Now I'm gonna add it with the movement. So here, here. Now what I'm gonna do is that when it goes to my right side, I'm bringing this over here. Here, boom, here, boom. I'll let this be the lead. So I'll get better with it. And speed it up as fast as you can. Gets easier after a while. Of course, once you get used to it, you can also practice some transitions to it too. You know, you can move forward, turn around, make it move forward, turn around, like so, around the neck, then turn it back into the flower. You know how to show off a little bit right there. At least let you guys know I know what I'm doing. That's pretty much it. Practice that part as many times as you can. Of course, once again, practice with a foam 3-section staff or with a foam bow staff. The last part and my favorite part. Next technique. That technique is pretty much the big swing under the leg. So here's how you do it step by step and make it easier too. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab one side of the 3-section staff. I'm not gonna grab the middle. I'm gonna grab right here. Right here. Got the top part out, close a little bit to the chain, but at least I have control of the rest of the 3-section staff. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna move it like a whip. So I swing it around my head, boom, boom, like that. So once I swing around my head, I bring it down, and then I lift up my left leg, and I swing it underneath it, like I'm about to ride a horse, and lift up the other leg, swing it around there. Simple as that. Above the head, bring it around, lift that leg up, and I'm going to the other side, boom. It's kind of like you're doing jump rope. So once I do that, I speed it up, jump, jump, boom. Simple. Once you get used to that, you can go ahead and do it faster, repeatedly, and then add that kick into it. Simple as that. I would say wait until you get used to the motion of this type of weapon. I wouldn't say practice that at the very beginning. And congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. You have now just learned how to use 3 insane tricks that make you look like a master with these 3-section staffs. Of course, there's more tricks to it, but right now, you're just gonna learn the first 3, at least the basics. Also, there's upcoming projects, fight scene projects that I've been working on, especially with people around in the community as well. If you guys want to see those things too and help support us, go to not only this channel, subscribe, but also go to my Patreon. Get to see behind the scenes photos and videos of happens to other projects that I have been involved with as well too. And not only that, you also get a chance to see a new upcoming character I'm creating for a comic book series. And I would love for you guys to support on that too. It's a martial arts based hero, you know. So keep practicing, keep training, and let's go ahead and look forward to the future, move with valor. Let's go. Boom.